come here. This was his dream. He always talked about the Panama Canal. And I didn't know about it, but he told me about it, so. Oh, look, it's over there. So this is where it's heightened and then it's gonna fall below water level or whatever?
No, that's what is going to a farther over there, yeah.
Oh, behind, you got go to behind the ship, right?
Oh.
Go close on the water.
Right.
Exciting though, guys. Very exciting. Very exciting. Oh yeah, the little one.
Right now, explain what is happening. The small boat that is leaving, it was bringing the Panama Canal crew on board of the ship to help with the process that will start in a few minutes. You can see them, they are right now on the desk. I forgot the name, the word in English.
Guys, this is Babe. Babe's lifelong dream. It's a video now. Tell the people them how excited you are to be at your Panama Canal. Lifelong dream. You know you are the winner. You are the winner. You are the winner. Anyway, I'm ready now, babes. Cause right now me, you and P and all these things. So watch it. Huh? Yeah. So babe, we are excited. We got to see the Panama Canal. Okay, bucket list goals. And so what's the next thing? Tomorrow's our last day. So we're on to San Blas Island. Yay! Swim with the fishes.
Going San Blas Island tomorrow?
I don't know. It's gonna be all day though. I don't wanna be stuck on an island all day. Anyway guys, we'll see y'all soon. If not, Majestic Love says peace, we're out.
States back in 1914. So this was one of the biggest things, the biggest structures in the world back then.
What does this transport?
Cargo.
What kind of cargo? Is it a thing?
Stop here, Jamaica.
Say something, guys. We finally got some rice and chicken. This is from Nico's Cafe. We just discovered this place. You know that it tastes, babe?
May I eat? No.
Alright, he's in a mood. Okay. I'm drinking this thing. Oh my god. My stomach just cramped. Baby's packing to go home tomorrow. Babe, are you super excited?
Hello.
Go home and leave me. I wish I was going with him, guys, but I'm not. I'm going to work because I have to work. But baby's excited. He's readily packing his belongings so happily.
No part. Happily packing up, even nothing.
No stones are left unturned. But you know what? Even though I'm gonna miss him, I don't feel like he's gonna miss me. He not really miss me. And I look so tall that they're happily gleefully packing. Anyway guys, me I'm in my bonnet chilling. Not packing anything. Because I'm not ready to leave. And I also have to start wearing my braces elastic again. So I can potentially get these braces off. Oh yo. Guys, look, do it. Continue to do your crap. Look what he's doing. Like he might have a big old suitcase for a foreign. Anyway, start pack mine, please.
I eat that, man.
Dead ass, because I'm waking up early to go to the airport with
Can I
you.
give me some pussy?
No.
Me not do it.
In fact, I'm hungry right now.
Well, everywhere locked down.
No.
Panama locked down. Panama under curfew. So,
No, I'm going to oxtail and rice and peas.
it curry gravy.
Fried chicken with curry gravy, no.
Yeah.
Wash it.
See that? See, bomb out that blood clot back then. Imagine.
Happy if you go.
Carry on.
Why, bro? I was
You
born.
know much things in that?
Babe, start pop mine on my...
Say, yeah, give me some pussy. What is that? I want an animal.
No, you know. Most your stuff them. Poor when you go in there, you look at you see whole heap of your stuff them in there.
Yeah, you got that. Usually for myself. Anything within us, I forgot.
50,000 bonus miles. Hey, I need you to know.